Next in line in our series Get Started with Power BI, we'll, we'll learn how to install Power BI onto our system. The installation. Download and install Power BI Desktop. As I said, Power BI is freely available for download. Okay, you can download Power BI Desktop from the web, Microsoft Download Center, or as an app from the Microsoft Store. Okay, from go to the Microsoft Download Center and check out on the website the system requirement. What all supporting operating systems are supported. Okay, and you have to wisely uh, choose the Microsoft Power BI desktop file based on your operating system type, the platform, whether it's a 32-bit or a 64-bit OS type. Okay, there you have the download option button. Okay, you can then select a language in which you want to install Power BI. Okay, by default, language English is already selected. Okay, there are multiple files available for this download. Once you click on the download, Once you click on the download button, you will be prompted to select the files you need. Choose the file you want to install as per the OS type of your computer system and click next. This will this will start the download. This will start to download the relevant file onto your local drive into the download folder. Once the download is completed, you got to uh, select the relevant exe installer file from the download folder. Double click on that and run the exe installer file and follow the setup steps. And this is how you will install Power BI desktop onto your system. That's pretty simple, and you are good to go to start using Power BI on desktop onto your system.